How to work. Tree need water indicator circuit. Working of tree need water indicator circuit. Sensor setup. 2 single-strand wires. The 2 wires are inserted into the soil of the plant pot. If the soil has enough moisture water, it conducts a small amount of current between the 2 wires. If the soil is dry, there is no or very little conductivity. Transistor is a switch, BC547. The small current generated by the wet soil flows to the base of the BC547 transistor through a resistor. When enough current reaches the base, the transistor turns on, saturates, allowing a larger current to flow from collector to emitter. LED as indicator. The LED is connected to the collector circuit. When the transistor conducts, soil is wet, current flows through the LED and it lights up. When the soil becomes dry, the sensor wires cannot conduct current. The transistor remains off and the LED turns off. Water status indication. LED off. Soil is dry. The plant needs watering. LED on. Soil has sufficient water. No need to water the plant. Key principle. Soil moisture controls the base current of the transistor. The transistor acts as a switch to control the LED indicator based on the soil's moisture level. That was the working of our circuit. Simple and easy to understand. Welcome to Book of Technical. This video present by Inno91 Green Technologies. How to make tree needs water indicator circuit on breadboard. For full video, click on link or visit to our channel at Book of Technical. We deliver good and productive video. All video available in Hindi, Marathi and English. Subscribe and get new video. Thank you and visit Book of Technical channel again.